Here's the dark truth. Women decide if they'll ever sleep with you before you even speak. Not by what you say, not by your job, your looks, or your jokes, but by the unspoken signals you don't even realize you're sending. Master this hidden language, and she'll chase you without knowing why. Ignore it, and you'll stay just another forgettable man. To support this channel, like and subscribe. 1. The Other Women Effect. Here's the truth. Women want what other women want. Not because they're shallow, but because social proof is the most powerful attraction amplifier. When a man moves through the world with ease, with women smiling at him, laughing at his jokes, respecting his presence, it signals one thing. He's calibrated. He gets it. This doesn't mean you need a harm or games. It means you demonstrate subtly that you are pre-selected. The Stoic said, if you want influence, first master yourself. And when you've mastered yourself, women feel it before you speak. 2. Eye contact mastery. Most men look away too fast. Others stare too long, too hungry. Both scream weakness. The secret, a steady gaze that feels like velvet and steel at the same time. You're not staring her down. You're seeing her confident warmth, playful calm. You hold her, then you release. That rhythm creates tension. That tension makes her addicted. 3. Strategic touch. Touch isn't about being bold. It's about being natural. A hand on her shoulder when you laugh. A brief touch guiding her through a crowd. A palm against hers when you playfully compare hands. Brief, respectful, effortless. When done with ease, it tells her, I'm comfortable in my skin and I'm comfortable around you. 4. The space game. Personal space is where most men lose. Too close, you look desperate. Too far, you look weak. But the man who controls distance controls desire. Stand comfortably in your ground. Let her lean in first, then slowly close the gap when she's ready. Now it feels like her choice. She doesn't feel chased. She feels pulled. The unspoken language isn't about tricks. It's about self-mastery. Other women notice. Eye contact lingers. Touch feels natural. Space feels balanced. And suddenly, she's the one chasing you. Not because of what you said, but because of who you are. Stay dangerous. Stay stoic.